Hello, my name is Jeff and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Our website is selectmotors.com. This is a 2013 XC60, black with a black leather interior. At the XC60, this one is all-wheel drive, inline or 6-cylinder engine. Has the optional 18-inch sport wheels. The tires are in excellent condition. Has the Xenon headlights. The body's excellent. It's not dinged or scratched. This is the T6 engine, which is turbo, has 300 horsepower. And you can see the dual exhaust, power tailgate. Naturally, the rear seats will fold down flat. The leather's in excellent condition. It's a panorama glass roof with power shade. Heated seats, power seats, and the driver's side has 3-position memory. It's a factory navigation. It has a backup camera, backup sensors. See it right there. Automatic climate control, rain sensing wipers. This also has the keyless locking. You just push this button, it will lock as long as the key is on you. And it's keyless ignition as well. And when you grab the handle, it'll automatically unlock. Low miles, drives excellent. Great Carfax and service history. Give us a call. We'd love to tell you more about this vehicle. Thank you.